In the passato prossimo, the verb piacere takes essere. But before we see the passato prossimo piacere, let's just review quickly how piacere works in the present tense. As you know, we have only two forms of piacere in the present tense. We use piace for singular object, so the things that one's likes. In this case, piace for il gelato, la pizza, il film, la musica, since they are singular. Or there is also another case when we use piace. We use when the things that is liked is not an object but is an action. So, for example, mi piace mangiare, ti piace giocare, and etc. Instead, we use the third plural person, piacciono, when the object that one likes is plural. So, ti piacciono gli spaghetti, ci piacciono le fragole, vi piacciono le banane, and etc. Okay, now let's see how piacere works in the past. First of all, since we have only two forms in the present, we have only two forms in the past, in the passato prossimo. Now, the passato prossimo is a compound tense and has two words. The first is the auxiliary, and piacere takes the auxiliary essere. So we will have only two forms of essere, and we will have, in this case, the singular, the third singular person of essere, that is e, and the third and singular person of essere, that ends sono. Then we must add the past participle of the verb piacere. Now, let's form the past participle of the verb piacere. The past participle of the verb piacere is almost a regular past participle. I said almost a regular. Why I said almost a regular? Because it takes uto as the regular one, but add an I after that C. So we drop ere and we have piace. We add I and then we add uto. So piaciuto is gonna be the past participle of piacere. And what we do, we must place piaciuto after the verb essere, after e and after sono. Now, there is the last step. Piaciuto works only for singular and masculine. So, for example, è piaciuto, I could add after è piaciuto only object that they are singular and masculine. So, il gelato, il film, another one, il libro. So, mi è piaciuto il gelato, il film, il libro. But what happened if instead of a singular masculine object, I have a feminine singular object like pizza, la musica? I have to make the agreement, so it will be è piaciuta. So, for example, mi è piaciuta la musica, mi è piaciuta la pizza, mi è piaciuta la lezione, and so on. Now, the same thing happened with the plural. So, sono and is plural, but I must also make plural the past participle, and I make plural and masculine like piaciuti in front of objects that there are plural and masculine. So, mi sono piaciuti gli spaghetti, mi sono piaciuti i libri, mi sono piaciuti i film, and so on. So, piaciuti works with object that they are plural and masculine. And the last case, always plural but feminine, will be piaciute. E is for the feminine plural. So, ti sono piaciute le fragole, ti sono piaciute le banane, ti sono piaciute le amiche, and so on. Ok?